Hey kids, thanks for stopping by Fun Toys Only. Today we're going to go on an adventure with the Teen Titans. Hey everyone, I'm so hungry. My stomach's eating itself. Can we go shopping? Hey Cyborg, we're here at the Small Mart. Oh, I love this place. I love to get their surprise eggs because you never know what you're buying, and I just love that. Beast Boy, you look so hungry. You're not even waiting to open it up. Well kids, thanks for stopping by the Fun Toys Only channel. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. We do Play-Doh, pretend, unboxing, and baby alive videos every single day. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you tomorrow.